Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tip Tuesdays. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect to Wi-Fi from an Android or iPhone device. Now it's important to stay connected to Wi-Fi when you're home or in a location where you're staying still because Wi-Fi is generally faster than cellular data provided from AT&T or Verizon, and it's already paid for by your organization. So if you pay an internet bill, or if wherever you live or wherever you're visiting pays an internet bill, you won't have to pay any extra to use Wi-Fi, whereas sometimes there are overage fees for data. So to get started, I'm going to be using the iPhone. You'll first want to turn on your iPhone and bring it to the home screen just like normal. So once your iPhone is on the home screen, you'll want to locate the Settings app like we used before. So that's the gray one with the little dark gray circle inside it. So we're going to tap on Settings, which will bring a long menu of different options. The only one here that's important is the one that says Wi-Fi, with the little blue pizza slice almost looking thing with the little waves. So we're going to tap onto Wi-Fi, and this will show you a list of available networks. So if you're not connected to a network, you'll just see this section here that says Networks with a list of available networks beneath it. So you can tell whether a network requires a password based on whether or not it has a little lock icon on the right-hand side of its name. So to connect to a familiar network, you'll have to already know the name of the network. The name cannot be changed from this menu, so you'll have to know what the name of the network is. But you can simply tap on the name of the network, and it will now prompt you to enter the password. So from here, I will type in password. Once you've entered the password, you'll just want to push the blue join button, like so. You'll see that little spinning circle as your iPhone connects to the internet, and then a blue check mark. Now you'll know that you're connected to Wi-Fi on your iPhone because you'll see this little icon in the upper right-hand corner. It's a little, I'm not sure the best way to describe it, like little bands almost in a cone shape. Let's see if we can focus on that. Yep, there it is up in the top corner. And now you're connected to Wi-Fi. So you'll see that icon wherever you are on the interface, and so long as you're in the same room and you don't go too far away, usually it works on a building-to-building basis. So as long as you're within that building, you'll generally stay connected to that wireless network and you'll get high-speed internet on your phone. It's also worth noting that once you're connected to Wi-Fi and you've entered the password for the first time, your phone will automatically reconnect to the network the next time you're in range. So you won't have to re-enter the password or re-add the network again. So now we're going to show you how you can do the same thing on an Android phone. So if you're using an Android phone, that is to say pretty much any smartphone with a touchscreen that's not made by Apple, you'll want to follow this set of steps. It's pretty similar to the iPhone process though. So to start, you're once again going to want to locate the Settings application. So depending on your type of Android phone, this process will vary a little bit, but again, you're looking for an icon that looks a little bit like this. So that is the Settings icon. For me, the way you access it is by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and then swiping until you see the Settings icon, which in my case looks to be right about here. So I'm going to touch on that icon to get into the settings. Now once you're into the settings, just like on the iPhone, you'll see a long list of available options. From here, you're going to want to touch on Network and Internet. This might look a little bit different depending on your phone, but you're looking again for this Wi-Fi icon. So that's that pie slice with the little curvy lines within it. So you want to touch onto that, and now if you've got this secondary menu here, you want to touch the one that says Wi-Fi. So once you touch that, just like on the iPhone, you'll see a list of available networks, and just like on the iPhone, the lock icon on the right-hand side will indicate whether or not you require a password to get onto that network. So all of the networks over here have a locked lock, which means that I require a password to get onto those networks. If the lock were unlocked, for example, if you were at a restaurant that had free Wi-Fi, you would be able to access the Wi-Fi without a password. So to connect to a new network, you just tap on the name of the network like so, and then enter in the password, and then simply touch where it says connect, or you can push the blue check at the bottom of your screen. Then you'll see the message obtaining IP address, followed by hopefully the word connected. And now, just like on the iPhone, you'll see that omnipresent icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen, and it looks like a little pie slice. Sometimes it has little lines inside of it, but that will indicate that you are connected to Wi-Fi. So there you go. That was a simple video for you. Hopefully you were able to follow that along. If it was too fast, if it was too slow, you can let us know. And if you need more personalized support, you can fill out a flyer with your name on it and we'll give you a call back this weekend. You can watch these videos at your own pace on our YouTube channel, which is available by visiting our website right over here, sftfs.org. Once you visit that website, you'll see a large button which you can click to access all of our YouTube videos and watch them at your own pace. You can also give us a call at 561-444-TECH. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.